This is a real customer review of the AKASO EK7000 4K Wi-Fi Sports Action Camera Ultra HD. First of all, this camera is freaking amazing for the price. I searched for literal hours on YouTube trying to figure out which affordable action cam to buy, and out of frustration it took me about 2 days because each review of a camera had a cheap action camera with missing features and subpar reviews. On day 2 I came across a YouTuber with this specific camera and was amazed. This camera has everything you need to get some amazing video shots and even comes with a bundle of accessories that would total over 1K probably if you were to try to get the GoPro. The best part is that this camera shoots great high-quality footage in 1080p and is so easy to carry around. It's awesome that they include 2 batteries because action cams in general tend to have a short lifespan, and with 2 batteries and my battery pack I literally can get 3+ hours of use out of this thing. It's easy charge both overnight. Once you use one battery, plug the USB battery charger included into your travel battery pack and keep filming. You literally can just keep filming even out in the middle of nowhere and not have to worry about camera life. This thing is awesome. Shipping time equals excellent. Camera price equals excellent. Bundle accessories plus mounting gear equals freaking amazing and included. This camera is literally the best. If you are thinking about if you should do it, get it. It literally does not get any better than this little guy, especially for the price. I also convinced a friend to purchase this item for her upcoming trip. She is not tech savvy and she can do it. She is so excited to use this item for her trip, and the fact that it's shipped via Prime, she got it just in time. As I said before, this camera is literally the best. If you are thinking about if you should do it, get it. Click the link in the description to find out more.